Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Bellina Payroll. In this video, we explain how to insert new text tables. To create the 2025 text tables, click on the Setup menu, select Text and then New. The first thing we need to do is to set the effective date as 01/01/2025. Then ensure you select USD as the text table type if you're running USD Payroll and default if you're running a ZIG Payroll. In this video, we are demonstrating using US dollar text bands. To insert the text bands, click on Insert. Continue typing in the rest of the text bands as shown in the video. Click on Insert to enter the text credits. Please note, on elderly credit, the age lower limit is 55. Enter the pension amount as 5,400. Enter the NASA age limit as 65. On the NASA code window, click on the ellipsis button and select your NASA transaction code. Click OK to save. For medical credits, insert 50 as your percentage. Insert tax levy as 3%. Please note the bonus tax-free amount is 700. To enter the motor vehicle benefits amount, click Insert. After you're done inserting your information, your text table should look like the one on the screen. Click OK to save and exit the text tables. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like this page and subscribe to our channel. This will ensure that you're informed of new video releases and updates. For further assistance, please do not hesitate to access this and other topics in our comprehensive help and manual. This is available on the Bellina Payroll main menu and also from our website. You can also access information and our support team through the chat platform. Links to our website and chat platform are given in the video description below.